Let's talk about space exploration today. Have you been following the latest news on space exploration?
Yeah, I just read about the Mars missions. It's fascinating.
I know, right? The idea of humans setting foot on Mars is incredible.
Imagine what it would be like to live there.
It's hard to picture, but I think it would be an adventure of a lifetime.
Definitely. The challenges would be immense, though.
True, like dealing with the radiation and low temperatures.
And the psychological effects of being so far from Earth.
That's a big one. Isolation can really take a toll on people.
I wonder how astronauts train for that kind of environment.
They probably have simulations that mimic living on Mars.
Yeah, I heard they do that in big domes.
It must feel so surreal to be in those simulations.
I bet it does. Do you think you'd want to go on a mission?
I think I would, but only if I could come back.
Fair enough. The idea of being away for years is daunting.
Exactly. Plus, what about family and friends?
Right? It would be tough to leave everyone behind.
But the science and discovery would be worth it, I think.
For sure, discovering new life or resources would be amazing.
Speaking of life, do you think we'll find aliens?
I really hope so. The universe is so vast.
It seems unlikely that we're the only ones here.
Agreed. There are so many planets out there.
And some are in the habitable zone, which is exciting.
Exactly. It opens up so many possibilities for life.
I wonder what kind of life forms we might encounter.
Maybe something completely different from what we know.
That would be mind-blowing.
Right? Just thinking about it gives me chills.
I love the idea of intelligent life existing elsewhere.
Same here. Imagine communicating with them.
It would be a huge leap for humanity.
And it could change our perspective on everything.
Definitely. We might realize we're not so different after all.
Or we could learn new technologies from them.
That would be incredible.
I wonder how long it will take for us to make contact.
Hopefully not too long.
With advancements in technology, it might be sooner than we think.
True, the James Webb Space Telescope is already making discoveries.
It's amazing what we can see now.
I love how it's revealing more about exoplanets.
Me too. Some of them have such interesting atmospheres.
I read about one that could potentially support life.
Really? Which one?
It was called Proxima Centauri b.
Oh yeah, I've heard of that one.
It's so close to us, relatively speaking.
Just a little over 4 light years away, right?
Exactly, that's not too far in cosmic terms.
I wonder if we'll ever send a probe there.
That would be a monumental task.
But imagine the data we could gather.
It would be revolutionary for our understanding of the universe.
I hope we invest more in space exploration in the future.
Same here. It's crucial for the advancement of humanity.
Plus, it inspires so many people, especially kids.
Absolutely. It sparks their imagination and curiosity.
I think that's one of the best parts about space exploration.
It encourages innovation and creativity.
And it brings people together, united by a common goal.
That's a great point. Space truly is the final frontier.
And it's a journey we're all on together.
I love that idea.
It's like we're all part of something bigger.
Exactly. We're all Earthlings exploring the cosmos.
And every small step we take is significant.
Totally. Even the smallest discoveries can lead to big changes.
That's the beauty of science, isn't it?
Yes, it's all about building on what we know.
And asking questions that lead to new discoveries.
I could talk about this for hours.
Same here. Space is just so captivating.
What's your favorite aspect of space exploration?
I think it's the potential for discovery.
That's a good one. There's always something new to learn.
And the excitement of the unknown is thrilling.
Definitely. It keeps us curious and engaged.
Plus, the technology we develop benefits us on Earth too.
Yes, space tech has led to so many advancements.
Like satellite technology and GPS.
And even medical technologies.
It's amazing how interconnected everything is.
It really is. Space exploration impacts our daily lives.
I hope more people realize that.
Yes, it's not just for scientists and astronauts.
Everyone can benefit from it in some way.
And it's exciting to think about the future of space travel.
I can't wait to see where we go next.
Same here. The possibilities are endless.
I just hope we do it responsibly.
Absolutely. We need to protect what we have.
And ensure we don't repeat mistakes from history.
That's an important lesson for humanity.
Space exploration should be about collaboration, not competition.
I couldn't agree more.
Working together could lead to amazing discoveries.
And it would set a positive example for future generations.
Exactly. We need to foster a spirit of unity.
It's all about the journey, not just the destination.
Well said. The experiences we gain are invaluable.
I love that perspective.
It's what makes life and exploration so rich.
Here's to the future of space exploration.
Cheers to that.